The subject of this video is the Office 365 Health Dashboard. You can access the dashboard by going to your 365 Admin Center. So let's open up the Admin Center. Let's maximize the page. Browse down to Health and Dashboard. Now here you'll see a summary of the applications. At the top you can see that it's green. You have advisories and incidents. Advisories are FYIs, incidents are outages, and they're usually marked in red. So we can view all of the items here, and we can see that those are advisories. So just FYIs, nothing to be really worried about. If they were incidents in red, we'd need to investigate. You can click on the advisories and read up as to what the problem is. If you want to receive a summary via email each day, you can go into Customize and then select Email. Enter an email address, and then go through, and then for the first part, do you want to receive incidents and advisories? Do you want to receive everything about all the applications, or do you only support a subset of the applications? So this way you get emails as the advisories and incidents occur. Hope you enjoy the video. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks.